Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are trying something new because I've been super inconsistent on here and I realized that I needed to do something outside of DIY videos and fashion videos that don't get very many views anyway. I know most of the subscribers that I have on here came from one particular DIY video that I posted, and I just feel like if I only did DIY videos, I would probably post one video a month, if that. So today we are going to be vlogging, even though this is technically not my first vlog, but whatever. So I spent the majority of last weekend pulling out some of my fall and winter clothes, and I need to go over to my storage unit to get some more things that I need. If you're new here, I moved into my sister's house at the tail end of 2020, and I knew I was taking time off of work for Christmas anyway, and I was going to be here for Christmas, so I figured, you know, two birds, one stone. So I moved my entire one-bedroom apartment into a storage unit that is nearby, and we are going to go there and get some of my things and pay a visit to all of my furniture. A mirror that I've been saving to DIY. When I'll get around to it, I never know. What was I thinking? This is definitely going to be donated. This one I love. It's definitely a keeper, but it's way too soon. An old corduroy Topshop number. Haven't worn it in years, so can definitely be donated. Donate. Definitely donate. This one's really cute, but it is definitely too small for me, so I will probably donate it, even though I might try to list it on Poshmark because it is still new with tags. I've had this one for so long and I definitely still love it, so we'll see if I get some use out of it this year. Another favorite that I love that could definitely use a good steaming and a lint roller, but definitely keeping. This I'm on the fence about. I'm kind of over it, but I still like it a lot and I love how long it is, so I will see if I get use out of it this year. Living here has made me realize all of the things that I do and don't need, and when I do move out of here, I don't want to take anything that I don't need with me. So I want to get my storage unit all organized and cleaned out and donate whatever I need to donate, maybe post some things on Poshmark, send some items to the Real, and just try to clear out all of the things that I don't need. I really don't want to hold on to anything that I am not using now and I know for a fact I won't use in the future. And I really just need to go through what's in there because it's been so long. I honestly don't remember what I have. I feel like this happens each season when I pull out things that I forgot about, or I randomly think about something that I know I have, I just don't know where it is, and hopefully I'll be able to find it if I still need it.